In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly into a Squarespace website. This is a fantastic way to streamline your scheduling process directly from your site, and it's easier than you might think. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Calendly on your web browser. Head on over to the Calendly homepage and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your main dashboard. From here, you need to select the calendar you intend to embed. Just click on it and then look for the three little dots that are usually located on the right side. This menu is your gateway to more advanced options. After clicking those three dots, a menu will pop up. In this menu, choose the Add to Website option. This step is crucial because it will generate the embed code you need to place on your Squarespace site. You'll see different styles for how you can display your calendar. Choose a design that fits well with your website's aesthetic. Options typically include inline embed, pop-up widget, or pop-up text. Each layout has its own appeal, so think about what might work best for your site visitors. Once you've selected a design, it's time to click Continue. This isn't just a confirmation, it's also when Calendly generates the actual code snippet you'll need. Now you'll see a button labeled Copy Code. Go ahead and click on that. This might seem like a small step, but it's crucial. It's like copying a key to unlock a new feature on your Squarespace site. Now let's switch gears over to Squarespace. Navigate to your website and enter the editor where you can make changes to individual pages. Once you're there, look for the option that says ADD Block. This is how you'll insert new elements onto your page. After that, select the Embed option. This feature allows you to add custom code snippets onto your Squarespace pages. With the Embed block in place, click on the Edit option, which will open a text field window for you. In that text field, paste the embed code you copied earlier from Calendly. This is the moment where you're effectively merging Calendly's functions into your Squarespace environment. Once you see that snippet nestled comfortably in the code area, click Save. And there you have it. Your Calendly calendar is now fully integrated into your Squarespace website. Visitors can easily schedule appointments without having to navigate away from your site. Now, your scheduling process is seamless and professional. Thanks a lot for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about integrating third-party tools with Squarespace or anything else website-related. Enjoy your more organized calendar.